Today, we're talking about down payments, but not in a complicated, abstract way. We're going to talk about down payments with gummy bears. I promise it'll make sense, just bear with me. Let's say you're looking at a $300,000 home and want to put 20% down. This would mean a down payment of $60,000. Here, we have 30 gummy bears, and each one represents $10,000, all adding up to the $300,000 cost of the home. So, a 20% down payment would be 6 gummy bears. But putting 20% down isn't always required. Let's look at a 3.5% down payment. For the same $300,000 home, a 3.5% down payment would be $10,500. So with our same 30 gummy bears, 3.5% would only be 1.5 gummy bears. Even though the 30 gummy bears may seem like a lot, realizing you might only have to save for a few in the beginning can help sweeten the deal. Have more down payment questions? Reach out to a Movement Loan Officer today.
Many gummy bears were harmed in the making of this video.